Good morning, my dear students. Today, now let us continue the nutrition in animals, second lesson of the science subject. In that previous class, we studied about compartments of alimentary canal, digestive tract of human beings. The digestive system of the human body, human beings. Now, every day we eat food and that undergoes digestion. We know it. So, in order to understand clearly what we eat food, how it undergoes digestion, for that now compartments of alimentary canal. There are 6 compartments. First one, buccal cavity, we studied in the previous class, where the buccal cavity consists of your teeth, tongue. That teeth will cut the food into small pieces. That again tongue mixes the food with saliva, where saliva is a juice secreted by salivary glands. Now that process I have explained in detail. Today let us study in more about next part of the alimentary canal, that is food pipe. Now food pipe, it is there are 2 pipes. One is food pipe, that another one is wind pipe. Food pipe carries food to the body, to the stomach, and wind pipe carries oxygen which is required for our survival to the lungs. Now food pipe is which the food is which is chewed in the buccal cavity mixed with saliva, that enters the food pipe, and that food is pushed down by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. The food is which is what we eat, and that is chewed in the buccal cavity and mixed with saliva by the tongue, and that enters through the food pipe. The wall of the food pipe pushes the food towards downwards, where the food is moved towards the stomach. The food is collected in the stomach. The food pipe, it is a media which allows the food to enter the stomach. Now here stomach, it is a wide part of the, it is widest part of the alimentary canal. This is stomach is widest part of the alimentary canal, and shape of the food, the stomach is J shape. It is English letter J shape. What is the shape of the stomach? J shape. Now here the stomach receives food from the food pipe at one end. Here this diagrammatically I am explaining. It is a stomach which collects food from the food pipe, or esophagus we call the food pipe. Another name is esophagus. It collects the food from the food pipe or esophagus, and it is another end the intestine. The stomach is connected with one end of the stomach. The upper part, it is food pipe. It receives from where it receives the food, and it opens into the small intestine. Next, another end, stomach is opens into the small intestine. It is also one more compartment of the digestive tract or alimentary canal. Now in the stomach, what happens? In the stomach, stomach produces some juices. It secretes, what you call, correct word, biological word, secretes some juices. In that some acid like hydrochloric acid is secreted. Some other digestive juices are secreted in the stomach. Now whatever food we eat, that sometimes there also some acidic juices are, that hydrochloric acid is secreted. Now our food what we eat, sometime it may be acidic food, sometimes we eat spicy food, more and more chilies are used, that time we feel uneasiness in the stomach, that time we feel some stomach problems. Stomach problems are arised because of now if you eat and without doing any physical activity, that time acidic problem will arise. So we have to, what we have to do, whatever you eat, some physical activities needed for us. We have to play, we have to walk, we have to run, we have to jog, we have to do yoga. All these are required for our digestion of the food. Now if we eat till the more and more, and if we sit for long time, means that time it leads to acidity problem will arise. Next, near the hydrochloric acid which is present in the stomach, which is secreted in the stomach, that kills some bacteria. The food what we eat, that food consists of some bacteria, maybe microorganisms. That microorganisms are killed in the there only. That food enters along with these bacteria are killed by hydrochloric acid which is present in the stomach. Then the digestive juices which are also present in the stomach, they break proteins into simpler substances. Now till here what I have explained all are following. Next, here I am once again explaining this compartment, stomach. Stomach receives the food from the food pipe. Next, now it is the widest part of the alimentary canal, and the shape of the stomach is J shape, and it receives the food from where it receives food? It receives the food from food pipe. That food pipe which is here connected from the buccal cavity. Next one is food pipe. Food pipe follows along with the neck and continues towards the stomach. Along with the here two parts it's connected, neck and chest. Now here another pipe is windpipe, and these two are separated. Now that here understand, here it is the food pipe. The wall of the food pipe, it pushes the food towards the stomach. Then next is here further we goes to another part of the alimentary canal, that is small intestine. Now small intestine, there the small intestine collects some juices from liver and pancreas. Now this about stomach and how the food is digested in the stomach, all are following. Next is I go to next part of the compartment of the that digestive tract, alimentary canal, small intestine. Small intestine, there the food undergoes some more digestion, already digested in the stomach, and break up into smaller units. Now break up into simpler substances. Again it undergoes little more simpler substances in the liver, in the small intestine. Now small intestine, here it gets secretions from liver and pancreas. Liver and pancreas, they are connected to small intestine, and they help the small intestine in the case of digestion of food. Now here the liver helps the liver which is present here. This liver secretes a juice called bile juice. The liver secretes bile juice. That bile juice is secreted by liver, that's which the juice secreted by liver collects in the a sac, a bag like structure called gallbladder. The bile juice which is secreted that collects in the a bag like structure, we call it as a gallbladder. Next, pancreas also they secrete some juices. Now they are helpful in the case of digestion of the food. Now children understand clearly the second part, first part buccal cavity, second part food pipe, third part of the compartment stomach. Now fourth compartment, that is small intestine. Now small intestine, what I have explained today, that till here, further we continue tomorrow's class, that in the small intestine how the food is undergoes digestion, then some more features of the small intestine that we continue tomorrow's class. Thank you children.